Yo hayi kuningi kumkhokha guys kuleli viki. Kunomkhosi ufuna indoda yakhe yokwembiwa ukuze ayibone ngoba akayibonanga ngesikhathi engabona emehlweni. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 25th to the 29th of November 2024 on Monday. Unomkhosi makes a request that turns the temple house upside down. Maphalala struggled to forgive himself on Tuesday. Manzimande begins to spiral. Mamzobe want to preserve the legacy Kulegani left behind. Mabusi is worried about Umanzimande on Wednesday. Nomkhosi is shocked to learn what awaits her for her sins. Family tried to get Manzimande help, but it backfires. Lwazi and Kapsile's flame is annoying the wrong people on Thursday. In a moment of divine surrender, Nomkhosi collapses to her knees and cast aside her past, embracing the light of Christ's path. On Friday, Nomkhosi finds herself being forced to do something she no longer believes in. Ndlovu ignores his wife's pleas for repentance, self-preservation, and forges ahead on his power trip, making more enemies. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.